Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we're diving into the OpNet time to break testnet. This is the next phase of the OpNet testnet, and this is where smart contracts and DeFi on Bitcoin Layer 1 are ready for you to explore, test, and push to the limit. So we will test this out and see how we can climb. I don't know if there's a leaderboard or not, but you can track your progress. And hopefully there's an airdrop after this, but we will dive into all the fun stuff on top, building on top of OpNet as well. So before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think will be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way. Now, I have a Discord. All the socials are down below. Jump in here. Welcome section. You'll need to answer a few questions. Rules and guidelines, scroll down, click the thumbs up, and you will have access to all these wonderful channels. I have a faucets tab for testnet tokens as well. Also, you can catch me on Twitter at the BCR142. I co-host a show every Monday and Saturday, 5 p.m. Pacific, 8 p.m. Eastern, midnight UTC. So check us out, DeFi Crypto at DeFi Crypto Airdrop. And I co-host. The host of the show is Veteran Crypto. Awesome dude. Give him a follow. Great DeFi mind. And this is our Twitter page, the_DCA. And we do have a Discord as well, where we talk a lot about DeFi, and we get some airdrop stuff in here too, but this is really like DeFi heavy, so great alpha. But anyway, let's dive in to the OpNet. So it is time to break stuff in the testnet. And right here, we'll go up and discover dApps and interact with Bitcoin's first fully native self-custody DeFi experience. Sorry. You can download the OpNet wallet here if you haven't participated yet. And there's some utilities right here, testnet faucet, the mempool, Motoswap. This is for developers, developer Telegram, and the socials. So let's check out the faucet, or let's scroll down. So we got the extension, right? Let's check out. Oh, looks like I need to import mine. I don't know where my OpNet seed phrase is. Well, I guess we're gonna create a new one. So let's go ahead and do that. Why not? Fuck it. I don't see it anywhere in here. So I'm gonna have to create a wallet real quick. Create a new wallet. I have saved it. Now it will show you this little screen right here. I'm just gonna show you so it doesn't come off, but this is what it will show you, and you want Taproot. So click continue, and because I don't want it to skip out of here. Okay, now we can unpin. I don't need that right now. OP, so this is your account wallet right here, right? Copy your address or receive. And let's see, let's claim our testnet tokens. We need to click the same number, claim your test Bitcoin. Too many pending requests. Okay. All right, let's try this. Connect your wallet. Okay. Now we need to connect our Twitter. Once this is done, you cannot undo it. Oh, man. Okay. So I need to find my other seed phrase. Damn, that sucks. Okay, actually, I am going to do this. I know where I can do this. So OpNet, we're gonna do this on the other, yeah. We're gonna get this one real quick. I'm gonna set up my account on the crypto, or the DeFi crypto airdrops. Okay, let me do my password. I'm importing my wallet. For your safety, OP wallet will never touch universal transaction orders below 10,000 sats. OpNet points. Let's go. Now we're ready to rock. Let's connect our wallet. And I have our Twitter right here. Man, I really got to find that OpNet. But alas, we'll make it work. Verify your email address. I gotta do all that fun stuff. Ooh, I might be able to find it on here. I can do it right here. So let's check this. We got Bido, account unlocked, continue. Right. So now OPNet, connect wallet. Sometimes there you go. You got to do it again because we didn't give it the authorization the first time. Full, beautiful. There's our points, tweet points. Okay, join the net Discord, and then on-chain tasks. Beautiful. Let's get some testnet Bitcoin, and we will accept the invite here. Nope, I want to continue to the Discord right there. Now OP, I'm not using that right now. Receive, I guess. OP, connect OP wallet. Claim 1,000 pill. Okay, test Bitcoin. Let me see. So TB, let's see if this works. Ooh, maybe we are in the Discord. Now, let's just refresh this. Now paste our wallet address. Let's do this CAPTCHA. Let's see if we can get this thing rocking and rolling. 5, that would be sick. Already seen, you gotta be kidding me, man. Okay, I might have to send some test Bitcoin. Let's see. I may be able to send some from the Unisat. Is that in the same testnet? Bitcoin testnet. No, I don't want that. Let me see if I have any in the faucet. Please, sir, may I have some testnet Bitcoin? May I please, sir, have some testnet Bitcoin? See if we get anything to this address. So fingers crossed. And yeah, this faucet is no bueno. So I don't even know why if it's not working, how are people supposed to use it? I don't get it, man. Too many pending requests, even though I didn't request but one time. Okay, there we go. Look at that. So you can come here to coinfaucet.eu. I have it in my Discord. Bada boom, bada boom. And there's some other ones right here. Faucets for claiming TBTC on the Bitcoin testnet. All right. So let's see. Go back here. And let's verify this Discord completion. Ooh, that's not supposed to do that, but I guess we'll go back here. Sometimes my browser or my internet connection has been really janky. Connect Twitter, yes. Holy cow, man. This is ridiculous. Wow, painful. So I guess we got our testnet Bitcoin. Now on-chain tasks. So these are BT1 on Motoswap. So let's go back here, utilities, Motoswap right here. We will open that up, verify. Oh, it doesn't look like that. Oh, wow. It looks like it kicks us out each time you try and verify. Yeah, it's definitely a little funky. Oh, and link your wallet. So we'll have to link our wallet in the Discord, OPNet. So let's take this, copy that. Let's go into the Discord link guide. Oh, OpenTard. Here we go. Link guide /connect. Oh, paste your public key. So it's your public key right here, not your wallet address. So make sure you copy this. Command, right? Was that it? Oh, connect. Sorry, I don't know why I said command. Did it work? Already linked, bro. All right. Your wallet got arthritis. Thank you. All right. So we're going to come in here to Motoswap and actually get this thing connected. Bitcoin testnet. We see right here, we got a little bit of Bitcoin. So what we can do is take that, get a little bit of pill. 3, 4. We'll go ahead and do it. Oh, man. Oh, or execute OP20 swaps instead. What are OP20 swaps? Interesting. So these are the only swaps available. However, I can't get these OP tokens. Why not? Why aren't you working? Oh, maybe because you need the testnet Bitcoin. Okay, yeah. There you go. So now we have our pill and copy pill address. So you need testnet Bitcoin in order to get the faucet from there. Okay, let's see how much pill we have. Paste this token address in there. That says pill. Show enough, but we ain't got no funds. Supposed to have 1,000 pill. However, it's not working. Interesting. Well, we'll just have to come back and follow up. Part 2. Friends, now we have our pill token, and I have gone ahead and made some swaps earlier, but what you want to do on this on-chain task, right? We will swap Moto to BT1 on Motoswap. And there's some other stuff that we'll dive into. Stake Moto, add to the Motoswap pools, but when you get your pill, right, you get your pill token, you're going to want to swap this into Moto. And then when you get your Moto, you'll swap your pill like we were doing before. And then you'll swap your Moto into BT1. So now that we have some of each, you'll go into the pool and, okay, so each day you have to do these tasks. So swap Moto, and then that will, you'll get those points. So, oh, each week, I'm sorry. It's each week. I apologize. So here we go, swap, because it'll take a little while for you to swap from one token to another, but I'll go ahead and swap a little bit more just to do the transaction right here. And you should have gotten some testnet tokens from the faucet like I mentioned earlier. Sorry, it's been a few days since I did the other video, so trying to remember exactly. Okay, so you can check up here, activity, or right up here, your activity. My tokens, 2 minutes ago, nice. That went much faster. Okay. Verify completion. And this is one thing I found annoying, that it will always automatically do that. Anytime you need to re-verify, it'll check it. So just wait a little while. Mine hasn't updated yet, but stake Moto. So you can come here to stake and you can, let's see, amount to stake, maybe give it a refresh. I know that some of these can be a little bit painful. There we go. Ooh, I've accumulated 2 tokens. Cool. Claim rewards. Oh, I have 2 that just came up. Okay. I think it got a little laggy. Okay, we staked Moto, and the other one should have been the claim. Or maybe it just, let's check the activity. Swap, no, activity. Okay. Let's see, and watch. It's gonna do that again. Yeah, OpNet, if you can fix this, I might put this in the Discord just to make sure. So, okay, let it load, connect. Didn't verify that either. Okay, well, we'll go on to the next one. Add liquidity to Moto pill pool on Motoswap. So up here, go to the pools, go to add liquidity, and we will do Moto and pill, and also add liquidity to BT1 and Moto. So here we will add Moto and pill. Oh yeah, we're just gonna put in a tiny bit. You don't have to put in hardly any at all. I just haven't swapped my pill for Moto yet. Get my walk-in treadmill on. There you go, you added your liquidity. And then what we got, BT1, Moto. All right, let's just add some liquidity, add some BS liquidity in there. Sign it, date it, and added. Beautiful. So that should complete these 4. And each week you swap up to 50 tokens. And these OP20 tokens are, you're swapping BT1 and Moto and Pill, not Bitcoin. So let's see. Yeah, it's not updating right now. So harvest your rewards from Moto staking, harvest your rewards from TBTC staking, and Pill Moto LP staking. So farm, I think it's in the farm tab. So stake your Bitcoin to earn Moto. So you can swap for a Pill for this Bitcoin, and oh, Bitcoin swaps are currently under maintenance. Never mind. So I guess the balance that you stake your Bitcoin, confirm. So it's whatever testnet Bitcoin you have. I apologize. You can't swap for it. So put in a little bit and staking transaction sent. So this is Moto Chef right here. And it says Moto Chef. So we want to also stake Moto on here as well. So we'll view the menu again. And so each one of these, so we need to, let's make sure that, no, I want to add half of this. And then we'll do the same to the Pill Moto, and we'll see how that goes. Sign these two transactions, and then go to, menu. And we'll look at the favorite dishes right here. We'll go to steak right here. We'll add, oh no, where's our pool? View positions. Oh, is the activity still going? See, that's what I'm talking about. It takes a while. So when you get the liquidity added, you should be able to take that and, yeah, 7 seconds. We did that. You should be able to see a balance here, and you add that balance. Yeah, to get the Pill Moto LP, add liquidity to the pool, which is the Pill Moto pool right here. And that will give you this balance. So once you add that, go back to the menu, or home, I should say, and you should see your balance pending harvest, and you can claim your rewards. So that's what this is. Now, trying to verify this is another thing. So there you go. That's a pretty good walkthrough. I know it's slow and clunky, but just give it some patience. This took a little while to complete, but yeah, if you do need help, please reach out and I'll be happy to walk you through. But with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace out.